Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Look at this. We got these chicken breasts. You know what we finna do? We finna stuff them with some cream cheese. We got some fresh spinach. That's spinach in the bag, of course. We're gonna add that together with this 3 cheese mix and Parmesan cheese. We're gonna put that spinach on top. We're gonna work all this in together. Mix this mixture, and then we're going to put it in that chicken breast. Oh, my God. Look at that. You know what? Last but not least, beast in it.